Hey everybody, Icemanfiveoh here. There's something going on with my last video upload. It was the Mazda B2500 diff cover replacement. I dropped that video on Thursday at 9 o'clock, and as of 48 hours, it says I have 3 views and 4 likes. That doesn't make a lot of sense. Friday, I saw that video with 12 views and a couple likes. I don't know what's going on. I'm just documenting this. This is the first time in 4 years that I ever seen anything like this. So if you guys watch the video, go back and watch a little bit of it and like it again. I'm gonna delete it and re-upload it. So once I'm done with that, go back and check it out. I have no idea what's going on. YouTube stuff, I guess. I have no idea. But, normally videos like this even get, 30, 40, 50, 60 views. So, yeah, help a brother out and go check that out. Not like it means anything, but I don't trust YouTube. Let's put it that way. So, thanks for watching, and we got some stuff coming up this week. Maybe with the Harley and the 350, and we got some stuff coming up. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy.